Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by creating a full backup of your Stardew Valley saves and mods folders. This protects you against corrupted saves and bad mod updates. Next, ensure SMAPI is updated to the latest stable release and installed correctly. Also check your game version number in Steam or GOG so you can match mod compatibility. Finally, make a short list of all active mods and any custom configs you changed recently for easier restoration if needed. Use a trusted mod manager or update mods manually by replacing folders inside the mods directory. Always update SMAPI-compatible frameworks and content patcher packs before other mods. Download the mod zip, extract it, and overwrite the old mod folder while preserving any custom config files. Avoid mixing different versions. Confirm each mod supports your current game version. If a mod includes an installer, follow its specific instructions. Instead of simply copying, launch Stardew Valley through SMAPI and watch the console for clear error messages. If the game crashes, move suspect mods out of the mods folder and test again to isolate the problem. Restore saved backups if a mod corrupted your save or broke progression. If you need help, collect the SMAPI log file and the crash output, then report the issue to the mod author with precise steps to reproduce. Finally, reapply any preserved custom configs after confirming stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.